this video is about the mobile programming mobile lab, where we have to perform the two tasks here. So this video is about creating an Android application with these features for signing up, logging in, and log out. So let's see the code first. So here is the Android manifest file, so where you can find the application label, permissions required for the internet permissions required, and the application ID and the client key required for this application. Whereas you can also find in the app.java about the application ID and client key. Okay, now let's go to the sign up activity.java. Where you can find this code is used to sign up into the application with a username, password, and again entering the password, and then having an email ID. After that, clicking on the sign up will be redirected to the login page, where we will be seeing the successful login. After logging in, we'll be displayed with some data, and after that we can log out from the application. When we click on the logout, we'll be going to the logout activity. So you can see for a signing out moment here. So we can display alert, where we will be having a display of saying if we are good, so we are going. Okay, bye then. So we can perform this. Let's see the output. I have already run the application. You can see here. Now let's see the application. So let's sign up first. So I will be giving my name as Krishna. And email ID as SDK. gmail.com. And when we click on sign up, I'll be logging into the signing up into the page. You will see successful login. Welcome, Sai Krishna. Okay. So I will be logging into the application, and we have a logout functionality here. So when I click on logout functionality, so we are being given an alert display. And the percent okay. I will be logged out from the application. Again, I can log in with the credentials that I have shown you now. You can see I have been logged in into the application. Then I log in from the application. This is the last one. Thank you.
This video is all about mobile lab. So we are given two tasks to complete in this lab assignment. One is to create, so both are to create an Android applications with different features. So this is the first one. We need to log in, sign up, and social login. So and the second one, we need to use all these features. So now this video is all about second task. So this is the code. So this is the Android manifest.xml. This says this files contains about all the packages and permissions that are required. And here this is the main activity.java file, where we have written all the functions, and we have called to this .java class. So you can see here, it's now sending from main activity to r.style alert dialog box. Okay, so this one, main activity to login activity, we are connecting from main activity to login activity class through intent. So intent is all about intent is used to redirect from one activity to another activity by on clicking on some button or something. So it is redirected from main activity to login activity and performing all the tasks that are written in login activity. And similarly, main activity to settings activity, main activity to find friends activity, and so on. So that's all about main activity. And we have, and this is the date format and calendar, time, etc., that are to be displayed in the application. So this is the login activity.java file where we have coded for login, and we have authorized the Firebase database to get the information and to store the information. So this is the code, and here we have used toast class. So this toast class is nothing but it displays the messages like pop-up messages which will disappear after some time. Yeah, here also we have used the method called intent class login activity to main activity again to send the to load all the code that is written in login activity and connect it to the main activity again. And here similar to register activity also. And this is the chat activity.java file. And then we have used here toast classes, and this will be then placed here when the message was successful. We can display this message. We can see this message displayed, message sent successfully, and it will be disappeared after some time. If there is an error, if the message was not successfully sent, error will be displayed. So that's all about chart activity.java. And here we have connect here we have used find view by id r.id custom profile name. So this is the username and this is the text view that we need to enter the username. So it's text, so we have written text view. We have used find view by id. This term is used to connect your backend code with the user interface elements that are used in the application. And also we have used here layout inflator. This layout inflator is used for creating views dynamically. uh, so to create the user interface dynamically, we have used this layout inflator. It automatically, when we run the application, it automatically inflates the XML files. You don't need to do it statically, it dynamically inflates the XML files. And we have used on click listener events for buttons in the chat activity and login activity, and also the on all the activities, group chat activity, login activity, etc. We have created all the buttons and we have used the events, on click event, on click listener, etc. And this fragments, chat fragments.java file, context fragments.java file, find friends activity.java. And in this fragments.java we have read the database and all this information is stored in the database. So it's all about Firebase database. So this is the code, and we have also used the adapter class here. Let me show. And this adapter class is nothing but it is used to update the views dynamically. Suppose for example, we can when a user is accepted to chat with you on request, You can see the list of charts that gets updated dynamically for this application. You can see that in the video when we run the application. And yeah, so this we have already run it. As it takes some time, we have already run it before. I'm showing it for you. So this is all about, this is our application. So these are the previous logins. So I'm now logging in through, so like test1 gmail.com. So I'm signing in now. Yeah, so it is displaying welcome, logged in successfully. So these are the charts. So Sai now is in online. So these are the friends that are connected to test one. So the groups that we created, these are the contacts. So if any person is online, you can see this symbol. So you can see here as Sai is online, you can see this green color symbol saying that he is online. So this is requests. If anybody requests you, or if anybody you requested will be seen in this page. Okay, so we have find friends, create group, and we have settings, and we can log out as well. So I am logging. So now I am logging out. I am logging in through a different mail, test4gmail.com. So it's so first we need to create. I'm sorry. So first we need to create an account, new account. So this is new account. So we need to give the password. So creating new account created successfully. So we need to enter the name, username, like say as it's test4. I'm entering test4 status. Yeah, so I'm saving it now. Yeah, so you're logged in, and we can see there are no charts as this is the new user. No contacts and no requests. So now you can request them. You can click on find friends. So yeah, you can find the people who are using this application. So now I am requesting Sai to connect me. So I am sending message. So now the request has been sent to Sai. So now, okay. So we can see. So we can see that here I have sent request to Sai. So now I am asking. So as Sai is online. So I'm asking Sai to come online and accept my request so that we can display in the video that we can chat. Yeah, so as I accepted my request, I'm seeing that Sai is online. So now I can chat with Sai. Yeah, I'm typing hello. Expecting the reply. Yeah, so I got my message. So I can type any random message. So I'll get. Yeah, okay. So this is the individual message that we can do. That this is the chart application. So and we can also create the groups here. Yeah, we can create the group. Name the group say web/mobile. We are creating the group as well. Group created successfully. So here web. Yeah. So we can. So now we can type any message. web web. So we have created the group web. So now, as I'm logged in as test 4, so I'm expecting Sai to message in the group as well. So uh, let me wait for his reply. So yeah, Sai said hi. So like this, anyone can, any user can do messages. Yeah, as Sai is online, he messaged me. So we can log on, we can click on any, and we can message in the charts. We can message in the groups. So we can also ask for other users to log in and message them. We can see them in the display. They are present. As of now, only Sai is online. We both are chatting. Yeah, so this is all about our online chat application. We can also create groups. Yeah, so this is our settings. We can change the status and we can save them as our wish. Yeah. So these are all our friends where we can send request. As I have sent request to Sai. So it says if you want to remove, you can remove this contact from your friends list. Yeah. So test 4 is mine. So it says, yeah, this is your status and you need to do nothing with that. So test 2, you can send the message, and if test 2 logins, then you can, if test 2 login and accept your request, then you can chat. Yeah. So it's like this. Yeah. So this is all about our video presentation of mobile lab task 2. Thank you.